going to bowling. Play bowling. And this is bowling. Yay. Okay, so we will play. Who is first? I'm next. My shoes and my purse. Oh my god, bro! No, I thought he will go straight, but no. And then my mom. Okay. What the hell was that? At least mine was straight from there. Oh my god! No way. Ew, bro, you're so lame. Bro, I won the game. My sister won this one. She won this one. I'm gonna wear my shoes. I think I'll buy this one. This is my favorite one. Favorite. Hi.
Okay.
And no, that one is so bad. I got that one before. The taco. I don't know what the fuck is that. Now I'll get Coke with these. You know I like spicy one. This one is spicy and this is spicy as well. Bro, why is the water is so expensive, bro? Look. Oh, you're so poor. You only got Coke and I got all of these. And she will steal. We will go here and end up somewhere else. Oh my god! We can't see that. Look, it's over there. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm already scared, bro. I don't know if I should ride or not.